Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain you my content creation strategy to target topics for my service business, and this can be applied to any service or e-commerce business because this is pretty common what people search on Google. If you're able to understand this, you will be able to nail any damn thing on this planet about content creation and content marketing. So let me quickly go through the typical type of searches that people usually do on Google. So the first is the cost or the pricing issues. I'm going to go in detail on this on a separate video, the next video. For now, just give you an example of a cost or a pricing issue. Cost of a Honda City in Mumbai, or if you are outside India, similarly you can type in for cost of Tesla or Mercedes in US, Europe, UK, wherever you are based. This is a pretty common question which people generally search. It could be for services, it could be for products. Cost is one thing that people generally search on Google. Next is problems, issues, questions that they have. In my case, I've shared an example of snoring problems and how to overcome. This is a pretty common. This is just a general question that I've added to give you an example. So if you put it across in your business, it could be any problems or issues or questions that your customer may have. That is a starting point of how you create a content around that problem. Next is comparison versus questions. So this is a very common, especially in SaaS businesses or in any kind of when a buyer is about to make a purchase, they are going to compare A versus B. So in case I mentioned I am Calcutta versus I am Bangalore, which is best. So I'll give you examples in the next video with these, what Google search is showing, whether they are showing forums, solid answers from the authoritative experts, so and so. So comparison is one focus area where you can think of writing content around. Next is review case studies. You can think of writing case studies about your industry. So in this case I mentioned like SEO case studies for pharma industry. So if somebody is an SEO service provider and they have worked in pharma industry, they are going to have few multiple pages on their website showcasing what work they have done in the pharma domain. So similarly, if you are an electrician or an education training company or any service provider, you can think of adding case studies on your website to boost engagement. Next is like the best of questions, like with best accounting software for small businesses. So this is how people generally search, like best plumber in New York, Los Angeles, or best web designer in the city. So these best branding agency. Just give me an example. Best CRM tools. People generally also search with these keywords to get an idea of what kind of results they can get. And the last one is how to type of questions, like how to create pasta at home, how to fix a WordPress website, or if you are a car repair, you can create a guide on how to do car repairing, the basic stuff on your own, like DIY car repairing guide, something like this. So this is an idea of how users typically search on Google. One of them is how to. The second is the best type of questions. The next is review type of queries. The next is comparison type of questions. The next is problem type of questions, and the cost and pricing. So if you are able to cover this, you are on a higher note than most professionals who claim to guide you on content marketing, SEO, and other stuff. So if you need any guidance, drop me an email. I'll help you create a content creation strategy and marketing strategy for your service or e-commerce business. Thank you.